Snacking plays a crucial role in maintaining energy levels throughout the day, especially for individuals juggling packed schedules. When chosen wisely, snacks can bridge the gap between meals, prevent energy crash, and enhance focus and productivity. For instance, a balanced snack like an apple with peanut butter can stabilize blood sugar levels, keeping you energized and mentally sharp during afternoon meetings. Nutritious snacks are also vital for overall well-being. Unlike processed snacks laden with added sugars and unhealthy fats, wholesome options provide essential nutrients that support your body. For example, a handful of mixed nuts offers healthy fats, protein, and fiber, contributing to heart health and sustained energy. Conversely, indulging in high-sugar snacks can lead to quick energy spikes followed by crash, leaving you feeling tired and irritable. By making mindful choices, snacks can become an integral part of a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're an office worker, a student, or a parent on the go, incorporating balanced snacks into your routine can help you stay productive, focused, and feeling your best. Snacking can also support specific health goals. For instance, those aiming to lose weight can use snacks to manage portion control and curb hunger, reducing the likelihood of overeating at meal times. Meanwhile, athletes and active individuals can utilize snacks to refuel and recover, choosing options rich in protein and carbohydrates to replenish energy stores and support muscle repair. Easy snack prep for busy days. Preparing snacks in advance is a game changer for those with hectic schedules. Meal prepping isn't just for dinners, it can simplify your snack routine as well. Setting aside a few minutes each week to prepare snacks can save time and reduce stress during busy days. Start with simple recipes that require minimal effort but deliver maximum satisfaction. Overnight oats, for example, are a versatile option. Combine rolled oats, milk, or a plant-based alternative, and your favorite toppings like fresh berries, chia seeds, or a drizzle of honey in a jar. Refrigerate overnight, and you have a delicious grab-and-go snack ready in the morning. Veggie sticks paired with hummus are another quick and nutritious option. Slice cucumbers, carrots, and bell peppers into bite-sized pieces and store them in airtight containers. Divide hummus into single-serving portions to create a convenient, healthy snack that's perfect for work or school. To make your snack prep even more efficient, invest in reusable containers or silicone snack bags. These eco-friendly solutions help keep snacks fresh while reducing plastic waste. Portioning snacks into individual servings not only saves time but also promotes mindful eating, helping you avoid overeating. Another excellent tip is to batch cook snacks like energy balls or granola bars. These snacks can be made with wholesome ingredients like oats, dates, nuts, and seeds, and they freeze well, making them an ideal option for long-term storage. This way, you'll always have a nutritious snack on hand when hunger strikes. On-the-go snack hacks. For those constantly on the move, portable snack options are essential. The key is to choose snacks that are easy to pack, mess-free, and provide a good balance of nutrients. Trail mix is a classic choice that can be customized to suit your taste and dietary needs. Combine nuts, seeds, dried fruit, and a small handful of dark chocolate chips for a satisfying blend of flavors and textures. Store your trail mix in small reusable containers or snack-sized bags for easy access. Fresh fruit, such as bananas, apples, or oranges, is another excellent option. These naturally portable snacks require no preparation and provide a quick boost of energy. Pairing fruit with a protein source, like a string cheese stick or a handful of nuts, can help keep you full longer. Protein bars are also convenient for on-the-go snacking, but be sure to choose brands with minimal added sugars and recognizable ingredients. If you have time, consider making your own protein bars at home using oats, nut butter, protein powder, and honey. For a creative twist, try assembling quick snack combinations like a handful of almonds with dried cranberries or celery sticks with peanut butter. These pairings are not only delicious, but also provide a balance of macronutrients to keep you satisfied between meals. Portable snacks can also include savory options like whole grain crackers with a small container of guacamole or hard-boiled eggs. These snacks are rich in protein and healthy fats, making them ideal for sustained energy. If you're traveling, pack snacks in compartments to avoid them getting crushed or mixed up. Bento boxes are a great solution for keeping different snack components fresh and separate, ensuring that everything is as appetizing as when you packed it. Healthy snack alternatives. Cravings for less healthy snacks can strike at any time, but there are plenty of healthier swaps to satisfy those urges. Air-popped popcorn, for example, is a great alternative to greasy chips. Sprinkle it with nutritional yeast or a pinch of cinnamon for added flavor without the extra calories. When you're in the mood for something sweet, opt for Turkish yogurt topped with fresh fruit instead of ice cream. This combination provides protein, probiotics, and natural sweetness while being lower in sugar and fat. Mindful snacking is another important aspect of maintaining a healthy diet. Pay attention to your hunger cues and avoid eating out of boredom or stress. By keeping healthy options readily available, you'll be less tempted to reach for processed snacks. Incorporating fruits and vegetables into your snacks can boost your intake of vitamins and minerals. Add sliced berries to your oatmeal, dip apple slices in almond butter, or top your salads with avocado for a nutritious and flavorful twist. These small changes can make a big difference in your overall diet. Don't forget about smoothies as a snack alternative. Blend spinach, frozen fruits, a scoop of protein powder, and almond milk for a nutrient-packed option that's both refreshing and filling. Smoothies are versatile and can be tailored to include your favorite ingredient or whatever you have on hand. Advanced snack planning. If you have dietary restrictions or specific fitness goals, advanced snack planning can help you stay on track. For example, those following a high-protein diet can prepare snacks like hard-boiled eggs, cottage cheese with sliced veggies, or turkey roll-ups. Individuals focusing on plant-based diets might prioritize options like roasted chickpeas, edamame, or nut butter with whole grain crackers. Tracking your snacks using a food diary or app can also provide valuable insights into your eating habits. This practice helps ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs and avoiding unnecessary calories. Plus, planning your snacks in alignment with your meals can prevent overeating and ensure you maintain a balanced diet throughout the day. Snacking inspiration and conclusion. Healthy snacking doesn't have to be boring or complicated. Drawing inspiration from others can help you discover new ideas and stay motivated. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are brimming with creative snack ideas and meal prep tips that can spark your imagination. Final notes and additional tips. When it comes to healthy snacking, variety is key. Keep experimenting with new flavors, textures, and combinations to avoid boredom and keep your snacks exciting. For instance, try roasted seaweed snacks for a savory treat or chia pudding for a dessert-like indulgence that's packed with nutrients. Staying hydrated also plays a role in snacking. Sometimes feelings of hunger can actually be a sign of dehydration. Keep a water bottle handy and make it a habit to drink water regularly throughout the day. Pairing snacks with water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, or oranges can help you stay hydrated while enjoying a delicious treat. Another tip is to involve your family or housemates in the snack preparation process. Making snacks together can be a fun and educational activity, encouraging everyone to make healthier choices. Kids, for example, are more likely to eat fruits and vegetables if they've had a hand in preparing them. Finally, always listen to your body. Some days you might need more snacks, while other days you might not feel as hungry. By tuning into your hunger cues and prioritizing nutrient-dense options, you can create a snacking routine that supports your health and lifestyle in the best way possible.